is up? I am back. You feel me? I know I've been missing for a little minute. It's been about solid 6 months or whatever. You feel me? I had to get my head right, stack the bread. But listen, y'all, I got a surprise today. You feel me? Got a little something. You know what I mean? This bad boy right here. You ain't better get it out, you know what I'm saying? So look, let's see what we got in this joint today. I ain't even got the knife with me. Hold on. Hold on, I might need a knife. Oh wait, hold on.
A few moments later.
Alright, boom. Wait.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
But yeah, got me a carbon fiber spoiler. Feel me? About to go. Man. Oh, that's fire. That's. But I thought they was gonna give me some type of tape or something that I could put this on with. But they didn't give me nothing. So I'm gonna put this on. They really ain't give me shit. Oh, alright, hold on. Alright, they gave me something. Feel me? So now let's get it popping. Okay. Damn. Look at this. But look, alright. So boom. Look at what I'm doing. You feel me? Guess we gonna do one on the outside. And we gonna probably do one on the inside. I got this from South Bay Auto Works. You feel me? Shout out to them. I think anybody with a Q50 probably know about South Bay Auto Works already. Making it look nice. Yeah. And I'm probably gonna do one in the middle too, you know what I'm saying, just to be safe. Oh shit. I ran out. Alright, so look, now we gonna peel this red tape back. There we go. Now, I might be messing it up, but you gotta understand I'm not a professional. So, take that as you will. Okay. Alright. So boom, you know what I'm saying? Next step, before you stick it to the trunk, obviously you gotta clean it because the shit dirty and the dirt builds up, you know what I'm saying? So I'm saying? I don't know who said that you can't use Windex on the car, but fuck it, you know. I don't think it's gonna hurt. So what I'm gonna do is, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's shining. Okay, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Shine a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Okay. So now, realistically, this should stick, and let's see.
It was at this moment that he knew.
It sticks though, as you can see. Once you stick it, I think it's like you can't move it ever again. So this might be a little problem. What the fuck they make this tape with? Perfect, it's right where I want it. This ain't going nowhere. Feel me? But yeah, basically, I'm fucking up. But basically, boom, now. You go down. That's how you do. Okay. Now that's how you do carbon fiber rear splitter install. Now look at that. Look how good that looks. Now do a little walk around. You know what I'm saying? Now that's fire. You feel me? Woo. Look at it up close on the carbon fiber. You know what I'm saying? That cost me about maybe like $300 maybe from South Bay Auto. So next I'm gonna get probably the rear spoiler for the window, the back window. And yeah, that's just a little quick install. And you already know I got a whole bunch of other shit that I want to install for the car. You feel me? So like I already got all the other stuff. I finally got me a backup camera too. You know what I'm saying? From the last video I told y'all I needed a backup camera. But you know what I'm saying? Come check out the front. But I told y'all I need some work in the front. Whoa, alright, chill. We ain't looking at the front, but we need some work in the front. But listen though, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe, you feel me? And let me know, cause I need some more car friends. So if you're in the PA area, I'm gonna put my Instagram up in the video. Please make sure you follow me. Y'all, I'm out.
And make sure it sound right, boys.